Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are a new user and you haven't been to my channel before, thank you so much for coming and stopping by. And if you are a returning user and you have watched my videos before, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. As you know by the title, I'm just going to be showing you a really quick way to highlight cells that contain text. So just open your sheet that you would like to go ahead and apply this conditional formatting to, and I will go ahead and walk you through it right now. So this is just an expense tracker that I built, and let's say I want to make all the cells that contain any sort of text in it a certain color. I'm just going to go ahead and select all of the cells I want this conditional formatting to be applied to. So I just selected the gray area that I have, and then I'm going to come up on the Home tab, select Conditional Formatting right here, and then I'm going to come down to the New Rule section. So I'm going to go ahead and select New Rule. I'm going to select Classic, but you can really pick, however you want. But for this, for the purposes of formatting and highlighting the cells in the way that I'm sure you're looking for, I would select Classic. And then what we want to do is click on this Format Only Cells That Contain, because we basically want to format cells that contain text. So this is the one that makes the most sense based on, the criteria we are looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. And then as you can see, you can kind of choose your preference from this and also this, and type a word if you want like a specific word in here. But for the purposes of this video, we don't want blanks. So I'm just going to come down here and select no blanks. So in other words, we are going to format things that are not blank, which means that they contain some sort of text, right? So that's why we're going to go ahead and select no blanks. So I'm going to select no blanks, and then I don't want it to be light red because for me, red is like bad, and I want this to just reflect that it has text in the row and the cell that I have, something in. So I'm just going to go ahead and change the color. Let's see, I want to do like a blue, just want to make it vibrant and fun. So changing my font, and then I'm going to also change my fill color, and I'm going to make it blue too. So I just think that's pretty. So you can kind of play with the formatting depending on what you are doing. I know obviously this is more fun than, corporate America will probably like to see in an Excel tracker, but nonetheless, I like this color and this is a tutorial. So I'm going to pick the one I like, but once you select the color and the style and the format that you like, you can go ahead and click OK. And then as you can see, it changed this entire row blue. So just to show you that once again, this works, I'm going to go ahead and type in the next entry, which actually not that this is relevant to this video at all, but I guess I'll just do essentials for this. But anyway, so let's say I'm going to do another entry. I'm going to do beauty. Let's say I went to Ulta, which for those of you that are not into makeup or cosmetics, that's just like a beauty store. I'm going to do makeup. I'm going to do card. Obviously, this is all hypothetical, so it really doesn't matter, but just for purposes of making this make sense in the real world. So as you can see, since I input information in those sections, it highlighted it blue. So yeah, that should summarize obviously how to highlight cells that contain text. If you have any questions, let me know. But yeah, that should cover it. I hope this was helpful for you. Thanks again for stopping by, and have a great rest of your day.